Hi, this is Brian with WTI. Have you ever wondered if you can drink water with style?
Because that is exactly how I feel when I fill my water bottle with 2 Lit Super Leak Proof by HEAVYSEVEN. The one I got, as you can see here in my hands, is the pink and blue. And at the beginning, I bought it for my mom, but then I started using it every day when I go to work. The material is sturdy, even when you feel it's fragile, because it's lightweight. Really, the way I figured it's a strong material was by dropping it by mistake when it was full of water. I freaked out, but then I realized that it's strong enough to carry that weight. But seriously, I freaked out when I dropped it by mistake. This is perfect when you're trying to create the habit of drinking water every day. And as you can see, it's very easy to install. Just make sure that the shaggy thing is well adjusted, and that's it. And I started with this bottle now, but now that I have managed to fill it twice in a day, I am thinking about getting the 3 pieces pack to have the bigger one. It is lightweight, a one hand operated bottle, and a good way to start a conversation since everybody thinks pink is just for girls. So, if you're looking for a nice looking bottle that is stylish, sturdy, and lightweight, then you may want to try this one.
And that's my point of view.